This video will show you the basic operations and functions of the R13 Pro mini excavator. Let's take a look together. First, turn the key to start the machine. Then, lower the safety lock. Push the small left handle backward to open the throttle, and you can start operating. Left control handle. Pushing forward extends the arm, and pulling backward retracts the arm. Press and hold the button. Then move it to the right to swing the machine's boom to the right. Move it to the left to swing the machine's boom to the left. Without pressing the button, moving it to the right rotates the upper part of the machine to the right. Moving it to the left rotates it to the left. Right control handle. Pushing forward extends the boom, and pulling backward retracts the boom. Moving it to the left makes the bucket dig. Moving it to the right spreads the bucket. Left foot pedal controls the hydraulic thumb clamp. Stepping on the left side opens it, and stepping on the right side tightens it.